In this video, we cover Nifty's ongoing rally, FIIs returning to buy, upcoming US jobs report, and the buzz around Bajaj Housing Finance IPO. Stay tuned for quick insights on navigating the markets. The good news this Tuesday morning is that the FIIs are seen returning to the buying desk. 1. The positive takeaway from last week's trade was that FIIs net bought 9,217 crore rupees worth of shares. 2. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of rupees 1735 crores. Amidst this backdrop, GIFT Nifty is pointing to a higher open thanks also to the Fed's preferred inflation gauge is on track for September rate cuts. Investors will now brace for August US jobs report, which will be released on Friday, 6th September. This NFP will provide the next major test for the stock market. Bottom line, buying on dips shall continue to be the Gyan mantra as bullish investors see a decent chance for 50 BPS Fed cut in September and now brace for US NFP amid Fed rate cut speculation. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of rupees 1735 crores while DIIs too bought to the tune of rupees 356 crores. Bullish sentiments shall prevail for benchmark Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating overbought conditions. FANO August month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 to 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is at 14.06 levels. Nifty PCR, 26th September, is at 1.50 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th September, is at 1.01. Nifty outlook, bullish consolidation shall be the preferred theme for benchmark Nifty. Nifty, CMP to 5 to 79. Support, 25,150 to 25,050. Resistance, 25,350 to 25,450. Range, 25,050 to 25,450. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 51440. Support, 51,200 to 51,000. Resistance, 51,600 to 51,900. Range, 51,000 to 51,900. Bias, sideways to bullish. Nifty and Sensex new historic all-time highs are now placed at 25,333.65 and 82,725.28 respectively. The positive takeaway is that Nifty's winning streak has continued for 13 straight sessions. Nifty bulls are unfazed by even overbought technical conditions. Among stock-specific news, the cabinet approves 26,000 crore rupees deal to procure 240 engines for Su-30 MKI aircraft from HAL. The engines will have indigenous content over 54%, enhanced due to indigenization of some key components of aero engines. These would be manufactured at Koraput division of HAL. Source: Money Control. Bajaj Finance and Bajaj Finserv continue to be in limelight as Bajaj Housing Finance sets mega IPO date on 9 September and closes on 11 September.